To employ. I have employed 2 new workers. Nahaye akazi abandi bakozi babiri. Nangaje abandi bakozi nkorera. I have employed my workplace. Aha niho nkorera. Workmates. Workmates means abo mukorana. These are my workmates. Peter and Paul are my workmates. Petro na Paulo nabo dukorana. Turakorana. Hello dear viewer and welcome to today's lesson. I'm your teacher Ahik Bunan and this is Language Booster TV, the YouTube channel which helps you to learn 3 languages: Kinyarwanda, Kiswahili and English. This is the program Learn English, this one number 12. We are going to see vocabulary related to job. Remember that we have celebrated International Laborers Day. That is why I decided to teach you the vocabulary related to job you should know. These words should know them and you should know to use them in the context of a job. Yes. Ngo ikaze ku isomo ry'uno munsi y'uno muyoboro wa Language Booster TV. Ni mwarimu wanyu Yerekeranye. Gahunda yo ni IGA ICYONGEREZA. Isomo ni rya 12 tugezeho. Tugiye kureba amagambo yerekeranye n'umurimo. Tubihuza n'umunsi mpuzamahanga wahariwe abakozi twijihije ku munsi w'ejo. Twagira ngo tubihuze aya magambo yerekeranye n'umurimo ugomba kuyamenya kandi ukamenya kuyakoresha. I hope you have subscribed. Ndatekereza ko subscribe. If you have not done so, if you have not done it, so this is the time. This is the time to do it, so that you cannot miss the important lessons that are uploaded here. Kugira ngo utazabona amasomo y'ingenzi acishwa kuri no muyoboro, kora subscribe. You will get notified as soon as the new video is uploaded here. Uzajya uhabwa amenyesha igihe cyose video ishyizwe kuri no muyoboro. So like, share and comment to show us that you are interested with what we do. You can like, kore share, kore like, kore comment kugira ngo twereke ko ibyo tugukorera bigira icyo bikungura. So without taking too much time, tudatwaye igihe kirekire, let us start. Dutangire. As we commemorate International Laborers Day, mu gihe twizihiza umunsi mpuzamahanga w'umurimo, it is crucial to understand the vocabulary associated with this significant event. Ni byiza kandi ingenzi ko tumenya amagambo cyangwa se inyungura amagambo zifitanye sano n'iki gikorwa cy'ingenzi cyane. International Laborers Day, umunsi mpuzamahanga w'abakozi, also known as May Day or Workers Day, uzwi kandi nka May Day cyangwa se Workers Day, holds immense importance for workers worldwide. Ni umunsi ugize ikintu gikomeye ku bakozi hirya no hino ku isi. This list of vocabulary for International Workers Day will help us to grasp the concept and terminology central to this celebration and broader labor movement. Uyu munsi urutonde rw'amagambo afitanye sano n'uyu munsi mpuzamahanga w'abakozi ruradufasha kumenya no gusobanukirwa no gukoresha imvugo zifitanye isano n'uyu munsi mpuzamahanga w'abakozi. So without taking too much time, we have English and we have Kinyarwanda. Turagerageza kureba mu Kinyarwanda no mu Cyongereza. The first word is work or job. The second word is worker, labor or employee. The next, employer or boss. Job contract, salary, wage. To employ, we are going to try to see those words in Kinyarwanda. So when you say work or job, mu Kinyarwanda ni umurimo cyangwa se akazi. Worker, labor or employee, all those words means that is umukozi. Aya magambo yose asobanuye umukozi. He's employee in this company. He is employee in this company. Numukozi muri no company. He's worker in this company. He's labor in this company. Numukozi muri no company. Employer or boss. Employer or boss numukoresha. My employer is this man. Umukoresha wanje n'uyu mugabo uri hano. My boss is this man. Umukoresha wanje n'uyu mugabo uri hano. Job contract. Job contract. Job contract ni amasezerano y'akazi. It is a contract between you and your employer. Ni amasezerano ari hagati yawe as worker nk'umukozi and employer n'umukoresha wawe. So, for example, in a sentence, I have signed a job contract of 6 months. Nasinya amasezerano y'akazi y'amezi 6. Salary. Salary, it is a monthly payment for work done. Yes, I really know that many of our viewers are paid on a salary basis, on monthly basis. For example, my monthly salary is $10. My monthly salary is $10. Salary n'umushahara. Salary mu Cyongereza n'umushahara. My monthly salary is $10. Umushahara wanje w'ukwezi n'amadolari 10. Wage, it is a payment for the work done, but the difference between salary and wage is calculated hourly. It can be calculated hourly or daily. Yes, twawugereranya mu Kinyarwanda na nyakabyizi bitewe n'amasaha wakoze ugahemberwa ayo masaha wakoze. Ubarwa mu bijyanye n'amasaha. Twawita igihembo cyangwa se umubyizi. Wage nubwo hari twaba tutabitranslatinze neza kuko kubona amagambo yahuranije asobanura ijambo mu Cyongereza biragoye, ariko tugereranyije aho bitandukaniye, wage it is not monthly. Ntabwo wage urindira ukwezi aho guhemberwa amasaha wakoze. To employ, it is to give job someone. To give job someone. To employ mu Kinyarwanda ni ukwangaja cyangwa se guha akazi. We can also use verb to recruit. To employ. I have employed 2 new workers. Nahaye akazi abandi bakozi babiri. Nangaje abandi bakozi babiri. I have employed 2 new workers. Nahaye akazi abandi bakozi babiri. If you do not use employ, you can also use recruit. They have the same meaning. It also have the same meaning with verb to hire. H-I-R-L-E, hire, recruit na employ byose bisobanura kimwe, no gutanga akazi, kwangaja cyangwa se guha akazi umuntu. Recruit. So curriculum vitae, what does it mean? To apply for job, experience, part-time job, post, and documents. As I have told you, recruit means kwangaja cyangwa se gutanga akazi. Our company will recruit 2 new workers next month. Muri kwezi gutaha company yacu izangaja abandi bakozi babiri. Curriculum vitae. Curriculum vitae, it is a document which contains all your informations, including your educational backgrounds, your personal identifications, your experience, your hobbies, and the reference of the people who knows you and testify you. That is what we call curriculum vitae, umwirondoro mu rurimi rw'Ikinyarwanda. So, for example, in a sentence, among documents that are required during job application include curriculum vitae. Imwe muri dosiye zisabwa igihe usaba akazi harimo n'umwirondoro. To apply for job. Apply for job no gusaba akazi. I am applying for teaching job. Ni gusaba akazi ko kwigisha. He's applying for receptionist post. Ari gusaba akazi ko kumukozi wakira abinjira n'abasohoka. Receptionist. Experience. Experience refer to how long you have done the same job. Experience n'uburambe. How long time have you spent doing the same job as you are applying for? Umaze igihe kingana iki ukora akazi gasa n'akuri gusaba. Experience. I have 2 years of experience in teaching English. Mfite experience y'imyaka 2 mu kwigisha icyongereza. That is experience. Part-time job. Part-time job, it is a job that that is not paid on a monthly basis. Part-time, mu Kinyarwanda twagereranya na nyakabyizi. Yes. Post. Post, it is umwanya w'akazi. Okay, our company has advertised two posts. Company yacishize ku isoko imyanya 2 y'akazi. Or you can also say he has applied for teaching post. Yatse akazi ku mwanya wo kwigisha, umwanya w'akazi post. Documents. Documents means all required identifications, papers that testify your ability, your educational background, or your personalities. Those are documents, those papers that provide information about you. They are called documents. Mu Kinyarwanda cyiza bakoresha ijambo dossier. Dossier. Yes. When you are applying for a job, you need to present different documents. Igihe uri kwaka akazi usabwe gutanga no kugaragaza amadosiye atandukanye. Documents include passport, include identification copies, include your educational certificates, include there are many documents that provide information concerning you. Let us continue. Is this video helpful? If it is helpful, please subscribe, like this video, share it, write in the comment, suggest the video you want to learn, ask for clarification. You can ask a question. You can also suggest the lesson you want to study next time. Twandikire niba kunze iyi video, kola subscribe, ukore like, twandikire muri comment video wifuza kwiga, wabaza ikibazo, igitekerezo cyangwa se ikifuzo. Ariko kandi usangize ni video kuri bagenzi bawe so that we can learn together kugira ngo nabo twigane. Let us continue. Promotion, demotion, internship, resignation, workplace, workmates. What does this word mean in context of job? Bijyanye n'umurimo iyo tuvuze promotion tuba tushatse kuvuga iki? Promotion, it is the process by which a employer put employee on the high level kuzamura mu ntera. Promotion. Yes, ubwo verb is to promote. Promotion. His promotion made her proud. Kuzamurwa kwe kwamuteye ishema. His promotion made her proud. Kuzamurwa mu ntara kwe kwamuteye ishema. Demotion, no, it is the opposite. Ni ikinyuranyo. Kumanurwa mu ntera. Mu ntera ku mwanya w'akazi wari uriho. Demotion. His demotion resulted in 2 cows in the company. Kumanurwa mu ntera kwe kwateje umudugararo mu kigo cyacu. yes, kwateje imidugararo mu kigo cyacu. Chaos. Internship. Internship refers to the period spent to learn and get used to the certain work. Nubango ni yumara wimenyereza gukora umurimo runaka. Yes, internship mu Kinyarwanda ni imenyereza mwuga, cyangwa se mu Gifaransa abantu benshi bayizi nka stage. Internship, imenyereza mwuga. I am carrying internship at this company. Ndi gukora imenyereza mwuga muri kino kigo. Resignation means what? Resignation means gusezera ku kazi. Isezera ku kazi. Yes. His resignation created dilemma. In the company. Gusezera ku kazi ke kwateje urujijo mu kigo. His resignation created dilemma in the company. Gusezera ku murimo kwe byateje urujijo mu kigo. Workplace naho ukorera. This is my workplace. Aha niho nkorera. This is my workplace. Aha niho nkorera. Workmates means abo mukorana. These are my workmates. Peter and Paul are my workmates. Petero na Paulo nabo dukorana. Turakorana. They are my workmates. My workmates. Nabo dukorana. So thank you very much for watching this video. Was it helpful? Tell me in a comment. If you find it helpful. Tell me motivational words. Keep up. Good video. Wonderful. Keep up. Go on. Right. If this video is helpful, I hope you have already subscribed, liked, and you are going to share it to your colleagues. So the program is Learn English, and we try to help both English learners and Kinyarwanda learners at the same time. Have you learned the vocabulary related to job? Have you learned to use them in your context? Yes, if you have any question, clarification, suggestion, don't hesitate to contact us via WhatsApp. You can also advertise your business. Contact us via WhatsApp number that is displayed on your screen. We can deal how to advertise your business. You can ask the questions, clarifications, or suggestion the video you want to learn. Nakubwiraga ko niba wakunze video yacu, wamaze gukora like, wamaze gukora share, wamaze gukora subscribe, ibyo wabirangije. So wagize ikibazo, wagize igitekerezo, wagize ikifuzo, twandikire kuri nimero ya WhatsApp cyangwa wandike muri comment. Twandikire kuri nimero ya WhatsApp iri gucishwa kuri screen yawe. Icya kabiri, if you want to advertise your business, niba ushaka kwamamaza ibikorwa byawe, nabwo twandikire kuri iyo nimero ya WhatsApp tudiringe n'uburyo twakwamamaza business yawe igatera imbere. So thank you very much. If you have spent the whole minutes watching this video, you are precious. Uruwagaciro. You are precious viewer. Uruwagaciro for us. So let us conclude our lesson. I hope you have learned these vocabularies, and you are going to use them in their real context. So bye bye. Thank you very much. See you again. Wonderful.